Okay, so this is the installation of the Jolie filtered shower head. This is in the black color. And what you're going to get in the box, I've already done a video on that, but just in case you haven't seen that one, you're going to get the mighty wrench, you're going to get the cutest little plumber's tape, you're going to get the instructions, and you're going to get the Jolie shower head. First step is to remove your old shower head. Second step is to take that cute little plumber's tape and you're going to wrap it around twice around the opening of your pipe. And you're going to go ahead and just tear it off. Then you're going to go ahead and apply your Jolie filtered shower head. And you do this just by simply screwing it on. You're going to screw it directly on top of that tape. And then if you want to make sure that it's on nice and tight and there's no water dripping anywhere, go ahead and use that mighty wrench that came included in the box. And you're going to give it a good turn and make sure that it's on there as tight as it can go. Then once you can go ahead and shower and you can do with it as you'd like. Now I will say this, I did notice a difference, honest to goodness, and the water pressure was fabulous, but it was very soft on my skin. My skin, it made a difference. So I would recommend this. If you're on the fence about it, give it a try, see what you think. But I think I'm going to absolutely love this.